Look at these glowing puzzle pieces scattering across the floor. Reading may look like a task of memorizing thousands of individual words, but every word we speak is actually built from a set of 44 distinct sounds. We learn an alphabet with 26 letters. However, those letters combine to create exactly 44 unique sound pieces. Here are 3 separate sound pieces representing the letters C, A, and T. K, A, T. When we push these pieces together in order, they form a single word, cat. By identifying these 44 specific sounds, a child gains the ability to decode and build almost any word in the English language. Let's look at the first group, consonants. These act like the sturdy blue building blocks for our words. Watch these blue blocks appear. B, as in ball. D, as in dog. Keep these sounds crisp and short, without an extra at the end. F, for fish. Ul, for leaf. S, for sun. All the way to Z, for zebra. These consonant sounds give words their structure, forming the solid edges of the words we build. Consonants need a way to stay connected. These bright yellow pieces are vowels, and they act like the sticky glue that holds our blue blocks together. There are 5 short vowel sounds to know. A for apple, E for egg, I for igloo, A for orange, and for umbrella. Sometimes these sticky pieces follow a different rule. They stretch out and say their own letter name. We call these long vowels. Listen to them say their names. A as in cake, E as in bee, I as in kite, O as in boat, and U as in cube. Without these yellow vowel pieces, our consonant blocks would rattle apart and could never form a real word. Watch what happens when the letters C and H slide together. They fuse into one single new shape. These are team-up blocks, where 2 letters hold hands to create one entirely new sound piece. Here are the most common team-up sounds. Ch as in chair, sh as in ship, uv as in this, w as in whale, and ng as in ring. We complete our 44 sounds with special pieces, like the oo in moon, and sounds influenced by the letter R, like the R in car. Recognizing when letters team up to make one sound makes decoding even large, complex words manageable. Now that we've collected all 44 of our distinct sound pieces, it is time to put them to work and start building words. Watch this word separate into its individual sounds. F, I, sh. When we blend them together, we get fish. Let's try k, oi, n. Notice how that middle oi stays as one single piece before the word snaps together, coin. This blending skill removes the need to guess when encountering an unfamiliar word. Let's try a quick game. What is the very first sound you hear in the word ball? That's right, it's b. Next, which word uses the sh sound? If you said ship, you've got it. And what sound do C and H make together in cheer? Correct, it's ch. Now, find the word with the long oo sound. Yes, moon. Finally, read this word out loud. S-ch-r. You got it. The word is star. You blended those sounds perfectly. Daily repetition of these phonemes builds the automaticity needed for smooth, natural reading. Mastering these 44 sounds helps a child become a clear speaker and a confident reader. To start building those skills today, use the contact details on screen to enroll your child in Calvione Academy.